Alright, so check this out. So I got this light, right? It's a GE LED. See, it says microwave on there because it's for this microwave. Okay? You follow me so far? So I've already opened it, obviously. And check out this. This is weird. Hold on, I gotta. Sorry for the wonky camera stuff. I don't even know if you can see me. I can flip that thing around and see it, but okay, here we go. Alright, so you see what it's doing there? See how it's doing that? But check this out. Okay, so that's the full setting. Okay, it's not in focus, but it's weird. Okay, so it's on. We see that. And then it goes to half. See there? That didn't say it. Whatever. It's the time. But it didn't change it at all. And then you go off. Check this out. Off. Look what it's doing. It's like it doesn't turn off. You know what I mean? Look at it. Weird. Why does it do that? Anyway, thought that was weird.